Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is chip, an A2 level noun meaning a small piece, snack, or tech component. Now, let's dive into what chip means. A chip, in its most common form, refers to a small, thin piece of something, often food like a potato chip. Think of your favorite bag of potato chips. Each individual piece is a chip, but chip can also refer to a small piece broken off from something larger. Also, in the tech world, a chip is a small piece of silicon containing a microcircuit. Let's explore some synonyms for chip. A good synonym for a small piece broken off is fragment. For example, a fragment of glass broke off the window. Another synonym, especially when referring to food, could be crisp. Think of a potato crisp. You might say, I ate a bag of potato crisps. When referring to a microcircuit, a synonym could be integrated circuit. You could say, the device uses a powerful integrated circuit. Now, let's look at some antonyms to understand the opposite meaning of chip. An antonym for a small piece would be whole. Instead of a chip of wood, you might have a whole piece of wood. For example, I ate the whole apple. Or, he saw the whole cake before it was sliced. Another antonym could be entirety. For example, the entirety of the project was completed. Another antonym is complete. For instance, we need a complete set of tools, not just a chip off the block. Now, let's see how we can use chip in everyday life. When talking about food, you might say, I'm craving some chocolate chips. Or, I dipped my tortilla chips in salsa. In the context of computers, you could say, this computer has a fast graphics chip. Or, the new phone has an upgraded processor chip. Here are some more examples of chip in sentences and phrases. He has a chip on his shoulder, meaning he's holding a grudge. She ate a chip of ice. The paint had a chip. We bought a bag of potato chips at the store. The computer chip is essential for the device to function. He uses wood chips in his garden. She is a chip off the old block, meaning she resembles her parent. He contributed a chip to the fundraiser. The mug has a chip in the rim. You can also say you want to chip in for something, meaning you want to contribute money. For example, I'll chip in for pizza. The dog chewed a chip from the furniture. They sold bags of chocolate chips for a school fundraiser. You might also hear the term fish and chips, a popular dish. We had fish and chips for dinner. To summarize, chip is an A2 level noun that can mean a small piece, snack, or tech component. We explored synonyms like fragment, crisp, and integrated circuit, and antonyms like whole, entirety, and complete. We also looked at various ways you can use chip in your daily conversations. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. Before we go, I'd love for you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn new words. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word chip and share it in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!